Are looking because I have my big phone camera out. All right, guys, so I have just landed in Ethiopia. I am tired and I'm ready to explore. I have had some great help so far since being here. Let's get this day started. How I got it like that, 'cause I got a cute face and my booty so thick. Ooh, chili. Oh, down here? Okay. Okay, thank you. Let's see if you got my name right. Yes. Nope, but it's okay. That's me. You're welcome. Thank you. Is there any way where I can get currency exchange?
Yes.
Is there currency exchange at the airport?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, so we are on our way. Ethiopian Airlines actually provides a hotel stay for people who have a long transit. However, I booked my own hotel because I wasn't quite sure since I chose the long transit. I thought it was only like if they chose it for you, but I chose it, but I was still eligible for a hotel voucher. I took a look at the hotel online anyways. I think I still make the better choice by booking my own hotel. But we are here. We have finally arrived to the heart of Africa.
Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. You go bow for the result though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did well by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl insult. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. Like the Baba Frayo, my ayo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow.
Alright guys, so I have made it to the hotel room, which I chose. This is the one that I chose. It was like $50. So you know, you get what you pay for. However, this one's like a 4-star. And the hotel that and it had good reviews. It had like 4 or 5-star reviews. The hotel that the airline booked us had very low reviews. I'm big on reviews. Your girl reads reviews. I looked at the pictures. I'm like, the reviews, all of that. So I think I still made the better choice. So let's just take a look at the room. It's relatively big in size. It's not what I was expecting as far as size. There is carpet. I don't like carpet, but there is carpet. I didn't see that. One part, no carpet. Other part, carpet. I don't like carpet. So let's check it out. It's okay. It's nice. It's clean. It looks clean. So let's see. All right. So this is where you walk in. And you got the bathroom right there. But right before you get to the bathroom, you got a closet right here. You got a safe. Just good. You got a towel. Is that a towel? What is that? Oh, it's a blanket. You got a blanket up there at the bathroom. The other hotel also had a tub, and I'm not a tub girl when I travel. I'm a tub at home. I'm not a tub anywhere else, child. Oh, I knew it. I knew it. And that's another thing when you're traveling. When I'm traveling, I bring my own hand towels because a lot of countries on this side of the world do not have face towels. As you can see here, they have these ones and these ones, but rarely do they have face towels. So your girl packed her own. There's a bad smell in here. I hope it goes away. All right, so this is the sitting area. There's a TV, nice size TV, a whole desk for your girl. We got a bed action going over here. Another mirror. I mean, 50 bucks. What can I say? I think it's fine for 50 bucks. There's a balcony. Let's take a look at this. Uh-oh, can I open it up? There we go. Alright, so this is our view from the balcony. It looks like they're building something down here, child. I should have told them to put me on the other side. View of the city from my room, nothing special. That's okay. Alright guys, so I leave tomorrow morning at 5 in the morning. And breakfast here started at 7, so I asked them to let me go ahead and have breakfast today instead of tomorrow. They said it will be fine since I'm leaving and I'm only here for one day. So I'm going to go down and grab some breakfast, but first I'm going to connect with the family, well, connect with the Wi-Fi, then connect with the family to let them know that I have made it. Afterwards I'm going to do some exploring. It was supposed to be rainy, so I do want to get out before the rain drops. I think the rain will come this afternoon. But I met a guy in the airport. He saw me looking a little, you know, he works there. He was one of the people that work at the airport. And they were pushing me to the hotel, not the hotel shuttle, the airline transit hotel. And because they saw me with the hotel voucher in my hand, which they gave me in Dubai, but I don't want to go there. And he noticed, he was like, did you book your own stay? I was like, yeah, I booked my own stay. He was like, that's good, because a lot of the transit hotels are not very nice. And so he basically called my hotel to see if my driver was here, and they were, and he gave me his contact information because he said he can hook me up with some connects with some taxi drivers to take me around the city, Addis Ababa. Ababa? Yes, Addis Ababa, to, you know, see the museum and the mountains and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some breakfast and plan my day. You coming with me? I know you coming. Let's go.
I did what I got when them kills over. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you.
Alright guys, so I am getting ready to go. I put on some lashes to brows, but I ain't put on no makeup because I ain't finna do all of that. But I had contacted the hotel because sometimes once you get to the location, it will be a lot cheaper. But when you get to a lot of certain countries that may be like poverty-stricken areas or not a lot of tourism, sometimes they be trying to overcharge you. So the hotel wants to charge me $100. The tour guide they found for me wants to charge $100. Hello, she's American. Charge her big money. And I was like, ain't no way. There's no way. And so I just went online, started searching and found someone to take me to all the same places that they were going to take me for half of that price. So that tour starts in about 30 minutes. So your girl is about to free up some storage because I'm about to do a lot of recording. Let's go. Oh, I do want to give you a little bit more of a hotel tour. So I'll do that. I'll give you a hotel tour. And then I don't know if I'm going to keep this vlog going or not. I think I'm going to do a series of short vlogs for Ethiopia since I'm only here for one day. That way I'm not trying to rush everything when I edit. Because when I edit, I cut out so much stuff. It may not be important to you, but I be feeling like it's important. So this time I'm going to try to do it per event instead of per day. That way I'm not leaving out too much information. So this first vlog is basically me making it to Ethiopia. Hotel tour, room tour, getting adjusted, and I think I'm going to go outside and kind of explore the surrounding area a little bit, and then we will start our tours. Let's go. Alright, so this is basically the hallway of the hotel. There's only one elevator. That's a downside because it's kind of slow. Alright, so this is the other side. So this is, looks like it's a little bit more happening on this side. Oh, there's a clothing store. I'm gonna have to check that out before I leave because I do want some local garment. All right, let's go. Let's see if the driver is down. All right, so I need to get some cash. Usually I can get some cash at the reception, but they only accept USD. I'm American, but I don't live in America. What is Zcash? You already? Yeah, I
Just let me notice your card, guys. You know the way around. Please keep your valuables in the
Yeah.
digital.
Yeah.
Even mobile, you don't.
Well, I need my phone.
You need your phone, of course. Maybe keep it in safe area.
Yeah.
The guy will have his own card. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
Thank you. All right, so this is outside the hotel that I'm staying at. It is the Damat Hotel, and this is the entrance. So I think one of the main, well, more of the action is up there in that road area. So we're just waiting on our tour guide to arrive. All right, guys, so that is a wrap on episode 1. Just a little taste. Stick around. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so you know that when we drop part 2. Episode 2 is coming up shortly. And guys, it gets exciting. Yeah, we got pulled over by popos in Ethiopia. Okay, it gets real. So stick around so you don't miss out on exactly what happened. As always, it's your girl L, just living. Love you bunches. Bye-bye.
I need to go and shadow.